how to book Uber for someone else. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can book Uber for someone else, so make sure to stick with me till the end. If you want to book Uber for someone else, you can simply open up the Uber application that you would be able to find here. Then once you launch the Uber app, first of all go ahead and then log into your respective account. So I'll just go ahead and tap and continue with Google, and then I'll just log into my account. Right now, once I log into my account, I don't want an Uber, but let's say I have a friend who doesn't know how to use the app and I want to book the ride for them because maybe they don't have a mobile phone or something like that. Now to do that, first of all enter the pickup point manually. So you have to know where they exactly are. So if they're in a certain nearby a certain tower, so you can go ahead and search that certain tower there, or after you have done that you can simply go ahead and then make sure to enter their location, but you need to make sure they are in that exact location. Right now you want to select where you want to drop them, so I can select any of the other options here instead where I want to drop them. Then I can see the gathering options. I can book in UberX, I can select a comfort, but the cheaper one is here. Then I can tap and choose UberX here. Right now after I do that, I can just simply confirm the pickup manually from the map as well, but I can drag it a little bit. So let's say they're near the city hall, I will simply select city hall and drag it to that point. Then I can tap and confirm pickup. Now here just choose your payment method. Now after this you will get the driver's number. Just contact the driver and say that you are booking this Uber for someone else and give them the receiver's number. Right, so just give them the number, they will call the receiver and the receiver will let them know where they are, and then they'll be able to simply exchange conversations and pick each other up. So this way you can book Uber for someone else. If there is an option to send a note to the driver, you can send it, or you can call the driver and ask them to pick someone up. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.